Hey squad, welcome back to my channel. So, I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial for you guys. I did one side because I had an idea. I wasn't really sure how I was gonna execute it and how it's gonna look. So I started with one eye. So I'm just gonna replicate what I've done here onto this side, and then you'll see all the rest of the look. I think I'm gonna not talk through this one. Another one that I'm not talking through. So if you have any questions on any of the steps I took or anything like that, just leave them down below. Of course, this is not a wearable look. I'm doing another collab. So the theme is green. So it's a monochrome color and we chose green. So yeah, head over to Facebook so you can check out to see who I collab with and to see her awesome, wonderful work. And don't forget to tell yourself you love yourself. You're awesome. Have you done that today? Before we get started, take a second, go grab a reflective surface and tell yourself you're awesome, you're wonderful, queen. Fix your crown. If you've been busy tackling your goals, make sure you take a break. Breathe. Sometimes we're so focused on taking care of our responsibilities and trying to come up in the world and just dealing with the stress of life that we forget to just breathe. And I know I've said this before, so don't feel guilty about taking time out for yourself to just relax. Take time out of your day to breathe, meditate, whatever it is you need to do, just to give yourself a break. Because if you don't, it becomes overwhelming and you're just going, and you're just going to burn yourself out. And that's not good for yourself or for anybody else in your life. So, or anyone not in your life, because you're not thinking correctly and not getting enough sleep can affect others when you're driving and different things like that. So just make sure you're taking care of yourself and you are also loving yourself. All right, guys, so that's my quick message right there. Let's go ahead and get started because I don't want to be late picking up the kids. So let's hop into this.
I'ma start it from the bottom. I'll show you how to flip a dollar. I got food in my dining room. I'm better. It's another day, another chance. I wake up, I wanna dance. So as long as I got my friends, I'm better. He say I'm hot, I'm so critical. Pull up on him in my vehicle. He said I'm pretty, you must be from Brazil, must be from Mexico. Roll up on him in my Lambo. Jump out like skirt, yeah bro. You need a chick like me to make you wanna leave them other bars, you know now. Yeah, he got bands in the bando. Missy got dudes in Orlando. Plus I got cars that he paying for. Man, I be too much to handle. What would I do when I get up on you, Papi Pedro? In my room and zoom in the pool. He watching my body like he watching Scandal. But I'm just here with my girl. I'ma start it from the bottom. I'll show you how to flip a dollar. I got food in my dining room. I'm better. It's another day, another chance. I wake up, I wanna dance. So as long as I got my friends, I'm better. Missy so hot, I'm from VEE. The car that I drive be Ferrari. My clique is so thick in the buzz, they be hollering and whistling at me like damn, babe. Man, I'm 3,000, I'm Andre. Yo, Missy talk big, I'm so grande. Bruce Lee on the beat, I don't compete with none of these geeks. I just rent like I'm Kanye. Yeah, he got bands in the bando. Missy got dudes in Orlando. And now he travel cause he paying for. He say I'm too much on my handful.
Okay, real quick, so I'm going to talk right here. In case you're wondering, I did call this a monochrome look, and you're probably wondering why I added the black. And I don't have a dark green. So in order to get that darkness that I want for this look, I had to use some black to darken it up. So that is the reason why you're seeing the black in here. I'm trying to get that dark, I already said it, right? The dark green color. So All right, so back to the music.
Like you watch a scandal, but I'm just here with my girl. I'ma start it from the bottom. I'll show you how to flip a dollar. I got food in my dining room. I'm better, I'm better, I'm better. It's another day, another chance. I wake up, I wanna dance. So as long as I got my friends, I'm better, I'm better, I'm better. Brand new flow when I ride. DJ, bring that back. You ain't never had a track like that. Shit might slap, booty go clap. Roll up in the beans, looking like our teens. When that rock make it pop in my car and it bang, bang, bang like go blah, blah, blah. Yeah, he got bands in the bando. Missy got dudes in Orlando. Buying me bags and new shoes and new clothes and everything I know that he paying for. Yeah, he be hooking me up. Yeah, he be hooking me up. What would I do when I get up on you, Papi Pedro? Room is zooming. I'ma start it from the bottom. I'll show you how to flip a dollar. I got food in my dining room. I'm better, I'm better, I'm better. It's another day, another chance. I wake up, I wanna dance. So as long as I got my friends, I'm better, I'm better, I'm better. I'ma start it from the bottom. I'll show you how to flip a dollar. I got food in my dining room. I'm better, I'm better, I'm better. It's another day, another chance. I wake up, I wanna dance. So as long as I got my friends, I'm better, I'm better, I'm better. He say I'm hot, I'm so fuego. Pull up on him in my vehicle. He said I'm pretty, you must be from Brazil, or must be from Mexico. Roll up on him in my Lambo. Jump out like skirt, yeah, bro. You need a chick like me to make you wanna leave them other bars, you know now. Yeah, he got bands in the bando. Missy got dudes in Orlando. Plus I got cars that he paying for. Man, I be too much to handle. What would I do when I get up on you, Papi Pedro? In my room and zoom in the pool. He watching my body like he watch a scandal. But I'm just here with my girl. I'ma start it from the bottom. I'll show you how to flip a dollar. I got food in my dining room. I'm better, I'm better, I'm better. It's another day, another chance. I wake up, I wanna dance. So as long as I got my friends, I'm better, I'm better, I'm better. Missy so hot, I'm from VEE. The car that I drive be Ferrari. My clique is so thick in the buzz, they be hollering and whistling at me like damn, babe. Man, I'm 3,000, I'm a Andre. You Missy talk big, I'm so glutton. Bruce Lee on the beat, I don't compete with none of these geeks. I just rent like I'm cotton, yeah. Yeah, he got bands in the bando. Missy got dudes in Orlando. And now he travel cause he paying for. He say I'm too much on my handful. He watching my body like he watch a scandal. But I'm just here with my girl. I'ma start it from the bottom. I'll show you how to flip a dollar. I got food in my dining room. I'm better, I'm better, I'm better. It's another day, another chance. I wake up, I wanna dance. So